In this video, we're diving into the core principles of data visualization. We'll explore the best practices for presenting big data insights through effective visualizations. Data visualization is a critical skill in today's data-rich world, enabling us to transform raw data into actionable knowledge. Let's understand why data visualization is so important. 90% of the information processed by the brain is visual. Visual processing is 60,000 times faster than processing text. These statistics highlight the immense power of visual data representation in grasping complex information quickly and efficiently. Let's look at the core principles that guide effective data visualization. First is clarity, meaning delivering a clear and unambiguous message. Second is accuracy, emphasizing truthful data representation. Third is efficiency, focusing on quick insight delivery. And fourth is aesthetics, ensuring a visually appealing design that enhances understanding. These principles form the foundation for creating impactful visualizations. Selecting the right chart type is crucial for effective data visualization. Bar charts are great for comparing categories and quantities. Line charts are best suited for showing trends over time. Pie charts are useful for displaying parts of a whole. Understanding the purpose of each chart type will help you communicate your data accurately and effectively. Color plays a vital role in data visualization. Sequential color palettes are ideal for ordered data with natural progression, like low to high values. Categorical color palettes are used for distinct categories without any inherent order. Thoughtful color choices can significantly improve the clarity and impact of your visualizations. Let's address some common pitfalls in data visualization. Misleading scales, such as truncated axes, can distort data relationships. Using too many colors can overwhelm and confuse viewers. Choosing the wrong chart type, like using pie charts for time series data, can misrepresent the data. And poor labels, including missing or unclear axis labels and titles, can hinder understanding. Being aware of these mistakes can help you create more reliable and effective visualizations. Creating effective dashboards involves specific design principles. A good rule of thumb is to include a maximum of 5 to 7 visualizations per single view, preventing cognitive overload. Employing the F or Z pattern for layout optimizes eye movement flow, guiding viewers through the dashboard in a natural and intuitive way. To summarize the key takeaways from this video, first, know your audience and purpose to tailor your visualizations effectively. Second, choose appropriate chart types and colors to represent your data accurately. Third, keep it simple and focused to avoid overwhelming your audience. Remember, effective visualization transforms data into actionable insights. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.